Welcome back and good morning, Roosevelt. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, and it's day A. This morning I'm joined at the anchor desk by Anna and Molly. Before we can find out what we can expect for lunch today, please welcome Tiffany and some students who recently participated and placed in the 2015 Special Olympic track meet. Take it away, Tiffany.
In 2015 Special Olympics track meet, the following students were involved in the Special Olympics track meet in England on April 11th. Neha, Tiffany Bybach, Austin Hancock, David Humpson, Cody Ricks, and Kaylee Vandal. They were in the 50-meter dash. Went in the softball throw. All of them placed third or better when 5 place finished. The students did a great job.
Thanks and congratulations to all of you who completed in the recent Olympics. A big thank you to Mr. Potts as well as of those who volunteered their time in support of this great event. Anna?
Thanks, Mr. Joel. Today for lunch we have a choice of, Evan, sorry. Today for lunch we have a choice of chicken nuggets with homemade wheat roll, barbecue beef rib on a bun, peanut butter and jelly sandwich with mozzarella, string cheese, or stuffed shallot. The senior high baseball program will have a meeting for all players planning to go out for baseball and their parents on Monday, April 27th at 6 p.m. in the senior cafeteria. Molly?
Thanks, Anna. The Leap Teens Tackling Tough Topics After School Club will provide students with a safe and caring space to discuss social pressures, practice communication, and how to say no in tough situations, including setting personal limits. Students will be led by an adult and talking about the issues that they face as teens each and every day. This group will meet after school on Mondays and Thursdays starting on Thursday, May 7th. Sign up today in the activities office. The senior high baseball program will have a meeting for all players planning to go out for baseball and their parents on Monday, April 27th at 6 p.m. in the senior cafeteria. Back to you, Anna.
Thanks, Molly. In more sports-related news, the senior high softball program will be meeting for all players planning to go out for softball and their parents on Monday, April 27th at 7:30 p.m. in the senior cafeteria. Are there any students celebrating their birthday today, Molly?
There sure are, Anna. Happy birthday greetings go out to Elijah Burt and Audrey Paulson. We wish you both a very happy birthday. Congratulations to Sydney McDonald for being last week's Rapto winner. Please see Mrs. Reese sometime today to collect your prizes. Check out a new and improved Rapto segment today on Classroom TVs during 8th period. If you're interested in playing in the next Rapto competition, submit a PBIS purple ticket with your name and Rapto written on it to your home base teacher. Teachers will forward them to Mrs. Reese so they can enter you in the drawing. You can't test your skills if you don't enter. Back to you, Evan.
Okay, congratulations again to Sydney McDonald. Here's your prizes here. And thanks to Molly and Anna for anchoring with me. That'll do it for today. Have a great day, Roosevelt. See you tomorrow.